Coorg, rated as one of the top hill station destinations in India, is a heaven in the lap of nature. Filled with forests, rivers and waterfalls, Coorg is also home to travelers' most favorite stay to socialize, the Zostel. Located in a remote setting off of State Highway 91, surrounded by woodland in the Abhyat village near Siddhapura, this humble Zostel in Coorg is only 11 kilometers from the Dubari elephant camp and 16 from the walking trails alongside Chikhlehole Reservoir. The air of Coorg perennially stays fresh and fragrant in this Zostel, thanks to the abundant coffee, cardamom and pepper plantations that bloom here. Another intrinsic smell is that of thick deodors, which also add another layer to its green landscape. The many waterfalls and viewpoints of Coorg, which are just at an explorable distance from this Zostel, keep the explorer in you engaged, and at the time that you want to spend relaxing, can be gladly dedicated to gazing the greenery and spotting stars in the night sky. This Zostel property is over 100 years old and has paintings and artworks depicting the rich culture and heritage it has inherited with itself. The property has been reworked and altered to communicate all this rich culture and heritage to the younger crowds that visit and stay in this place in search of a social environment. Apart from the beautiful attic, this property also hosts a wonderful coffee and pepper plantation. As you start exploring the plantations and move towards the edge of this property, you will notice the deodar and betel nut plantations that come out very beautifully. The moist deciduous forests of Dubari, which are just about 11 kilometers from this property, are home to many wild animals and birds, but the Dubari is known for its elephant camp. A forest camp on the banks of river Kaveri in the district of Coorg, Karnataka, it is an important base for the Karnataka Forest Department's elephants. The elephants for the Mysore Dashera are always trained at Dubari Elephant Camp. However, at present, after logging operations have ceased, the elephants have been practically retired except for giving interaction activities to them with tourists. The Harangi Reservoir is located near Kodagu village, which is about 25 kilometers from this Zostel property in Somwarpet Taluk of Coorg district. The reservoir is formed by a masonry dam built across the river Harangi, which is a tributary of the Kaveri. The dam itself is located about 9 kilometers from the heart of Kushalnagar town. The Harangi originates in the Pushpagiri hills of the Western Ghats in Coorg. Heavy rainfall from the southwest monsoon is the major source of water in the catchment area of Harangi River, which is about 717 square kilometers. The length of the Harangi from its origin to confluence with Kaveri is about 50 kilometers, and the Harangi joins the Kaveri near Kodige, 5 kilometers north of Kushalnagara. Located on the highway between Madikeri and Bangalore, the Abbey Falls are a sought-after tourist destination and the unofficial rest stop for all those who travel along the highway. The waterfall, as one may expect, presents a surreal scenery with natural beauty and tranquility. However, in order to truly experience the serenity of this waterfall, it is strongly recommended to schedule your visit for a weekday. Moreover, the water level is very negligible during the summer months, and while the waterfall is never officially closed, there is not much to see or do around the area in summers. The area, however, is blessed with unmatched natural beauty and is a perfect spot for nature photography.